Over the years, I've made it a goal to keep my Yamaha engines as pristine as the day I bought them. Unfortunately, I fail every year, mostly because I fish unfamiliar waters often, and I go where the fish go, and that means shallow water. This year, the skag on my F300 looks good, but that's not typical for me most years. Fortunately, Yamalube offers a full line of quality color-matched paints from touch-up to aerosol, so you can keep your engine looking great. Your local Yamaha dealer carries what you need. Selecting the right color is easy. Yamaha models from 1994 to current use dark bluish gray, while SHO models use shiny black. And if you're touching up painted internal parts, use dark bluish gray metallic. If you have an older Yamaha outboard or one of the new white XTO offshore models, visit colorite.com to order exactly what you need. When it comes to achieving peak performance, maintenance matters.